Expand your vocabulary with our core 2,000 words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free French ebook before it's gone.
Super. Awesome. Awesome. You guys are awesome. Vous êtes super. So awesome. Trop super. It's awesome. C'est super. I'm awesome. Je suis super. What's awesome to you? Leave a comment. À bientôt. See you soon. Yeah, it already ended. See you soon. No, it's not. Okay, whatever. So à bientôt is just see you soon, and you can say it when leaving your friends. À bientôt. Anytime you would use see you soon in English. Same way. Aimer, love. Tiens, tiens. Little heart with tiny horns. I should do it like that. I love you. Je t'aime. No, I'm shy. To love someone. Aimer quelqu'un. Do you love someone? I do. Yeah, I'm going to hide in here. I love platypuses. J'aime les ornithorynques. They are so random, right? You like random animals. I love them too. Le pain. Bread. French people love their bread. J'aime le pain. I like bread. To cut slices of bread and put ham and cheese on top. Couper des tranches de pain et mettre du jambon et du fromage dessus. Ham and cheese bread slices, yummies, with butter in between. Bien sûr, mon petit chou. Of course, my little sweetheart. This is making me shy again. My cheeks are red. It's not because I'm sunburned or anything. Petit chou is actually my little cauliflower. Isn't it so cute and smelly? If the wife asks the husband, "Oh, can you buy me a new car?" And the husband be like, "Of course, my little sweetheart. Bien sûr, mon petit chou." Bonjour, hello, or hi. You say it usually in the morning, or any time of the day is actually fine. Bonjour, comment ça va? Hello, how are you? Ça va. It's okay. You can say bonjour, comment ça va? Hello, how you doing? Ah, ça va. Or ça va bien. Ah, I'm okay, or it's okay, I'm fine. Sourire, smile. I like your smile. J'aime ton sourire. Some guy once said to me, your smile looks so sincere. Ton sourire a l'air tellement authentique. Ah, cheesy. So cheesy. Where is the smile? Show me that smile. Où il est le sourire? Montre-moi ton sourire. We say that to little kids when taking a picture. Français, French. You guys use French as one of your favorite words. Of course it is, or else you wouldn't be learning it. Je suis française. I'm French. Ou parler français. To speak French. Le français, c'est chouette. French is nice. Heure. Time. Heure. Time. What time is it? Il est quelle heure? But heure also mean hour and not only time. Vieux. Old. Vieux. Old. I'm getting old. Je me fais vieux, which is also masculine and feminine will be vieille. Je me fais vieille. Noir. Black. Noir. Black. Je porte toujours des t-shirts noirs. I'm always wearing black shirts. You guys always complain that I'm only wearing black shirts. I'm sorry. Nouveau. New. Nouveau. New. It's brand new. C'est tout nouveau. Dernier. Last. Dernier. Last. I always finish last. Je finis toujours en dernier. Blanc. White. Blanc. White. I'm wearing a white shirt today. Je porte une chemise blanche aujourd'hui. Or, clouds are white. Les nuages sont blancs. Cher. Expensive. Cher. Expensive. I never buy expensive stuff. Je n'achète jamais des trucs chers. So yeah, if you go to a Sunday market, you will have a lot of people trying to catch you and be, hey, it's not expensive, buy it, buy it. I make it not expensive for you. C'est pas cher, c'est pas cher. Long. 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 I have long hair. Again. J'ai les cheveux longs. Une longue journée. A long day. Today is going to be a long day. Pauvre. Poor. Pauvre. Poor. When you want to say, it's this person is kind of miserable or something bad happened to them, you say, oh, le pauvre. Ah, poor dear. Plein. Full. Plein. Full. C'est plein de joie. It's full of joy. Ooh. Je peux utiliser. May I use something, something? So fill the blank with whatever you want. Can I use your pencil? Je peux utiliser ce stylo. Oui, oui. Je suis désolé. I'm sorry. Yeah, if you bump into someone, you can also use this one. Like, oh, je suis désolé. If I bump into somebody, they won't wake up, duh. Mundo, go where it pleases. Yeah. Terminator is more like this. I'm sorry. Je suis désolé. Pourquoi? Why? Why? Pourquoi? C'est vrai? Really? C'est vrai? C'est vrai? Oh, fine. So if you're hearing gossip and stuff, you can be like, oh, c'est vrai? No, no, c'est vrai? Oh, c'est vrai? Really? Yeah. And you can use it with all the intonations. C'est vrai? C'est vrai. So the opposite of c'est vrai is c'est pas vrai. No, it's not. Or not really. Je ne comprends pas. I don't understand. Leah never understand. Leah say her name a lot, or else she forgets. Happened before. When someone is speaking too fast, like I do, I'm sorry, je suis désolé. You can tell them je ne comprends pas. Or, yeah, because they have all those fancy French words and vocabulary, you can be like, non, je ne comprends pas. At the end. So remember those main sentences and don't forget to subscribe and leave me a comment if you ne comprends pas. Bye bye. Au revoir et à bientôt. Please stop it, I'm waving.